CEO of mr.Booster. Welcome on stage, please. Round of applause, of course. Very nice to see you again. With retargeting.
Good morning everyone. Nice to see you all, or as I say here in Rome, buongiorno. My name is Leonid, Leonid Pudov. I'm CEO of mr.Booster agency, and I have over 15 years of experience in digital marketing across iGaming, fintech, and edtech. And 1 year on stage, I'm sharing what I have learned. Last time I was talking about the power of display ads, and now this year I will show you what comes next. What happens after the audience know your brand. Since I have worked in iGaming, I know for sure and want to share a simple bit of truth. Most iGaming users stop playing very quickly, and acquisition, as you know, so expensive. And what can you do about it? The answer is retargeting. It gives a second chance, often for just 10 cents. And you know, that's cheaper than espresso in Rome. Do you know how many users you're losing right now? In iGaming, up to 95% of users often become inactive and leave your product within several days. For every new acquisition costing around $50, $100 or more, bringing a users back cost much less. And we call it the second chance economy. It's not just cheaper, it's strategic growth. You're speaking to people who already knows your brand and interacted with it. And the numbers prove it. For example, CTR up to 10 times higher than standard creatives, standard banners. Conversion rates between 2 and 6%. Of course, cost per deposit starting at 10 cents. And finally, ROAS from 200 to 400%. In short, retargeting is not just cheap, it's smart marketing. You're not throwing money into the dark, you're activating people who already know your brand. Retargeting is built on a simple logic. Users leave your website without any conversion. Maybe they browsed but didn't deposit, or maybe they deposit once and disappeared, doesn't matter. And what next? A few days later, they see your ads, come back and deposit again. Simple, right? But the magic is in the strategy. Segmentation, creatives, and analysis. At mr.Booster, we follow a clear process. First step, need to define your audience segments. Next, of course, set KPIs for every segment. Step number 3, integration. We need to setting up pixel on your website. And after, create personalized creatives for every segment. Finally, launch campaign, monitor and optimize your campaign. Every step is based on data, no guessing, only data and results. A quick note on safety. I know many of you feel a bit nervous about setting up pixel on your website, but honestly, there's no reason. Pixel only sends a technical identifier like a user ID and some events like registration, FTD deposit, etc. And this ID only makes sense inside your product. Nobody can use it outside the system, and you always stay in control. And now let's get to the most interesting part of my speech. I want to show you some numbers from actually case studies. Big thanks to our clients. It was cool out way to share these results today. First company is Spinats. Reactivating non-active users in one of these some of region costs just 80 cents per user. We used a visual trigger as a reminder and quickly caught attention and reactivate users who hadn't played for weeks. Next company is QQBet. For QQBet in Uzbekistan, first deposit for non-active audience, non-active segments, current at just $1.95. We reminded users about their unactivated welcome bonus and their favorite slots waiting for them. This small personal touch was enough to bring them back. And the last one, boosting casino. Reactivating active players for boosting casino in some of the CIS region cost just 30 cents current deposit. And we used tournaments to re-engage them, and the competition turned out to be the best motivation to deposit again. Actually, no matter the region, reactivation was consistently cheaper than acquisition, and in some cases by more than 10 times. Why does retargeting work? First, because the users already know the brand and you are not starting from zero. Second, we use personal message for every creatives. For example, a VIP player doesn't need the same ads as the new users. Third, we use smart incentives like bonuses, tournaments, limited offers, etc. And finally, post analytics. It works because accurate post analytics show us what really drives reactivation. So, before we go up, I want to mention 3 very common mistakes which we still see in the targeting. Mistake number 1, it's wrong segmentation. Many companies, many teams launch campaign only for just one segment, non-rec. It is users who visited your website and didn't register. But we can split your audience into 10 segments or more and talk to each of them differently. Give every segment its own message and you will see instantly and get better results. Mistake number 2, it's creative. Give users something unique. Show them game they actually like, or offers they haven't seen yet before, or remind them of their best experience with your product. If your ads feel personal, it wins their attention. And last mistake, it's no analytics. Many companies still run campaign without deep analytics. But without positive analytics, you are just guessing, and you can't see what works, what doesn't work, or how users behave after seeing your ads. Only with positive data, you can better understand the full impact of your campaign and see that conversion came most likely because of retargeting, not by chance. That's how you learn, optimize, and grow result instead of wasting budget. Avoid all of them, and your retargeting will stay profitable, effective, and enjoyable for you and for your clients. So, here's my final message. Reactivating users doesn't just save money, it makes money. We are already running these campaigns for operators worldwide, and the numbers speak for themselves. Scan the corporate, let's talk after the session, and let's bring your customers back. I will be happy to chat about cases and numbers at our very yellow booth, and offers you some cookies and retargeting. Thank you. See you.
Fantastic keynote speech. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Booster, also an award winner from the Sigma Central Europe Awards 2025.
Yeah. I'd like to grab a picture with you, that's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Fantastic. Let's grab another one.
One of the many.
Fantastic.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Booster.